In this video, we're going to learn how to find the z value in Excel. So let's take a look at this question. It states, given that z is a standard normal random variable, what is the value of z if the area to the left is 0.9882? So in our previous video, we learned how to find the area on the left using the NORM.S.INV function. I'll put the link right here if you would like to review it. So I've drawn a bell curve here to try to understand what the question is basically asking us to find. So in order to solve for this question, we're going to use the NORM.S.INV function. So when you open up the function, it's going to ask you to type in or insert the probability. Here we're going to put 0.9882. This gives you a value of 2.26. Now what this means is, on your horizontal axis, positive 2.26 should be around here. The area on the left side of this line under the curve should equal to 0.9882.